to my partner. It's just so happened that he's a drunkard boy. I hate drunkard.
Ano po, mother?
Walay lang.
Okay, go. Hi, please pick your judge.
Nakakakaba kasi yung partner ko na sa totoo lang. Kaya dapat inaaliw din sila.
Okay.
May I call on Honorable Judge Julius Ramos as my
Shirin
intern?
Barbie ba yun? Shirin?
Ha?
Barbie.
Call center lang. Charot. Hindi ako call center.
My question goes like this. If there is one question you don't want people to ask you, what would that be and why?
Oh, very
Thank you for that well question.
Dali.
So, if I would be, if somebody will ask that question, and that question will definitely disregard my feelings or definitely hate my feelings, definitely, why are you existing in this world as a homosexual? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that if that particular question will ask me, definitely, it will ease my respect to other people, then definitely it will ease the respect to myself. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that each and every one, regardless of the sexuality of God, you have the right to live in this wonderful world. Because I always believe that whether you are a man, a woman, or a homosexual, we are also creations of God. Then therefore, after all Board of Judges, you do not become worthy for who you are, for what you have, but you can be worthy for what others become because of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Captain. Number 1-5.
Thank you so much.